In this task, we're going to set up a validation routine. The purpose of a validation is to make certain that sensible data is entered, not necessarily correct data. Now, as you can see, I've already entered my product details. My ID number, product, price, description. Got my ID numbers down the side. You'll notice the first record says blank, 0, blank. That's important for the order process. We'll come back to that later on. But you'll also notice there's no # currencies there. No currency sign. We'd better put that in. I'll highlight the price, make certain I'm on the Home tab and select the Number Format drop-down menu and select Currency. Be careful not to select Accounting. Now we have the #signs. Now I'll highlight my range and I now want to enter the validation routine. So I'm going to go to Data, and here we can see Data Validation. I will select that. Go to Settings and open the drop down menu and select Decimal. Because it's currency, of course it could have a £8.35 for example. Now I need to enter the minimum price. I'm going to enter 30 and the maximum price of 2,200. You don't need to put the # there. Now I'm going to go to the input message. I could stop here, but I better really give some user instructions. So, the title, I will enter price. And then input message, please note there is a minimum price of £30 and maximum of 2,200. I will highlight that text. There's no spell checker here, so if you're a bit unsure about spelling, write it in Word first. I can copy that, go to the error alert message, I'll paste it into the error message box. And then I'll just change that to note and put a title in. Now I'm going to press OK. As you can see, straight away a piece of user-friendly instruction pops up. So let's test this. Well, the lead worth is at 415. Well, let's say when I'm entering the price I make a mistake. Instead of 415 I enter 4150, 4,150. If I press enter now, we can see the error message pops up. It explains what I've done wrong. If I press cancel, it corrects it. You will notice the 0 is still there and is unaffected. That's because any data that is there before you apply the validation will not be affected.